Ever look into your closet and feel like something's missing? Like you've got all the basics down but still can't nail that wow factor? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of men's fashion, but forget what you know about those must-have lists. We're talking about unique, game-changing pieces that will not only elevate your wardrobe, but turn heads and start conversations. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so that we can keep helping you upgrade your life. The tailored Nehru jacket. Okay, so you've probably seen your fair share of blazers and sports jackets, right? But let me introduce you to something that's a total game changer, the Nehru jacket. This isn't your average piece of outerwear. It's got roots in India and packs a punch of sophistication with its sleek mandarin collar. Trust me, it's the perfect mix-up to your usual formal getup, or even when you want to elevate your casual look. Whether you're hitting up a fancy event or just want to look sharp for a night out, the Nehru jacket has got you covered. It's like telling the world, yeah, I know what's up in the fashion world, without even trying too hard. Plus, it's a nod to having a global fashion sense that's about as cool as it gets. Vintage-inspired band collar shirts. Alright, moving on to something a tad more chill but equally killer in the style department. Band collar shirts, or as your granddad probably calls them, granddad collars. These bad boys are the epitome of cool with their no-fuss, minimalist vibe. But here's where we crank it up a notch. Imagine these shirts with some vintage-inspired prints or textures. We're talking about adding a splash of old-school charm that doesn't scream trying too hard. These shirts are like the Swiss Army knife of your wardrobe. They slide under a blazer like a dream for that smart casual look, or stand strong on their own when the mercury rises. It's all about bringing back those retro vibes, but with a twist that says you're all about today. So, if you're looking to throw in something that keeps things interesting without going over the top, a band collar shirt with a hint of vintage is your go-to. It's like a secret handshake to the world of cool. Artisan-crafted leather boots. Next up, let's talk kicks, but not just any kicks. I'm talking about those artisan-crafted leather boots that basically have their own backstory. Picture this. Boots so unique, with hand-stitching cool-as-heck leather finishes like pebbled, suede, or that rugged, distressed look. And maybe they're even custom-made just for you. Yeah, that's the good stuff. These aren't your run-of-the-mill boots you grab off the shelf. They're like walking pieces of art, each with their own quirks and personality. Slip into a pair, and you're not just stepping up your outfit game. You're striding into, whoa, where'd you get those territory? And the best part? They're not just a one-season wonder. We're talking a lifetime of stories, adventures, and yeah, probably a few compliments along the way. So if you're ready to invest in something that really stands out and lasts, artisan-crafted leather boots are where it's at. Trust me, your feet and your style will thank you. The statement overcoat. Alright, let's talk about the big guns in your closet, the statement overcoat. Now, we all know overcoats are the MVPs when it comes to staying warm, but let's not stop there. Imagine rocking up in an overcoat with a fabric or pattern that's all kinds of bold, like, hello, look at me, bold. We're talking striking checks, classy herringbone, or for the real bravehearts, a subtle yet swanky jacquard. This isn't just about fighting off the chill, it's your golden ticket to making an entrance that no one's gonna forget anytime soon. It's like your overcoat is doing all the talking before you even say a word. And because it's the first and last piece of you that people get a glimpse of, why not go all out? Make it something that turns heads, sparks conversations, and yeah, maybe even makes a few folks green with envy. So don't just throw on any old thing. Make it count with a coat that says you're here to make waves. Luxury fabric Henley shirts. Now let's ease into something a bit more laid back, but with a twist of luxe. The Henley shirt. Sure, Henleys are your go-to for that easy, breezy vibe, but hold up. Imagine leveling up this classic with some seriously plush fabrics. We're talking silk blends that feel like a dream, cozy merino wool, or how about some ultra-soft cashmere? Yeah, that's the good life. These aren't your average run-of-the-mill Henleys. They're like the VIPs of casual wear. They've got a way of sliding effortlessly into any look, be it chilling on the weekend or stepping it up for a night out. And the best part? They strike that perfect balance between looking put together without seeming like you're trying too hard. So if you want to keep things chill but with a touch of class, a luxury fabric, Henley is your secret weapon. It's all about comfort that doesn't compromise on style. The convertible backpack briefcase. Okay, let's chat about the ultimate game changer in your accessory lineup, the convertible backpack briefcase. This isn't just any bag, it's like the Swiss Army knife of bags. Picture this: 1 minute, you're rocking a sleek leather backpack, and the next, bam, it's a stylish briefcase. It's all about making your life easier while keeping you looking sharp as a tack. Heading to work? Briefcase mode it is. Off to a casual coffee catch-up or jet-setting somewhere cool? Flip it back to backpack mode. This genius piece is your go-to for just about everything, adapting to your day like a chameleon. It screams, "Yeah, I've got my stuff together," but in the most effortlessly cool way possible. So, if you're all about that practicality, without sacrificing an ounce of style, the convertible backpack briefcase is your new best friend. Trust me, it's a game changer. Customized cufflinks. Alright, time to zoom in on the little details that pack a massive punch. We're talking customized cufflinks. Now, I know cufflinks might seem like small fries in the grand scheme of your outfit, but hear me out. These tiny accessories are like the secret spice that can totally transform your formal getup. Customizing them? Even better. Imagine rocking up with cufflinks that have your initials monogrammed on them, or made out of something totally out there like vintage coins, cool woods, or even semi-precious stones. It's not just about keeping your shirt sleeves together, it's about flaunting a bit of your personality and style in the most understated, classy way possible. Plus, it shows you're the kind of guy who pays attention to the little things. And let's be real, that's where the magic happens. So if you want to add a personal touch that says, "Yeah, I've got style and I'm not afraid to show it," customized cufflinks are the way to go. Eco-friendly performance fabric suits. Okay, let's get into something that's not just cool for you, but also cool for the planet. Eco-friendly performance fabric suits. We're living in a time where looking good and doing good should go hand in hand, and guess what? These suits are leading the charge. Made from recycled goodies and packed with features like being breathable, not getting all wrinkly, and even saying nope to water, these bad boys are a total win-win. Imagine strutting into a meeting or stepping off a plane looking sharp as ever, all while giving a nod to Mother Earth. It's like your suit is saying, "Yeah, I care about the future, and I look darn good doing it." Perfect for the guy on the go or anyone who's all about that sustainable lifestyle, but isn't willing to compromise on style or comfort. So, if you want to make a statement in more ways than one, slipping into an eco-friendly performance fabric suit is the way to go. Trust me, it's the kind of choice that feels as good as it looks. The modular travel jacket. Let's talk about the ultimate piece for the dude who's all about blending that love for adventure with a solid sense of style, the modular travel jacket. This thing is not just a jacket, it's like your Swiss Army knife for tackling the urban jungle or the actual jungle. We're talking detachable hoods for when the weather can't make up its mind, built-in gloves because who wants to carry extra stuff, and pockets. Oh, the pockets, hidden ones for all your gadgets and travel must-haves, so you're always ready for whatever the day throws at you. But wait, there's more. Ever been on a long haul and wished you could just magically have a pillow or an eye mask? Boom, this jacket's got you covered with built-in neck pillows and eye masks. It's like wearing your own personal travel kit without looking like you're hauling around your bedroom. And the best part? These jackets look so good, they seamlessly transition from trailblazer to city slicker without missing a beat. So, if you're someone who craves functionality without sacrificing an ounce of fashion, the modular travel jacket is your new best buddy. Gear up and look good, all in one go. Avant-garde athletic wear. Alright, let's dive into something for the dudes who like to keep it comfy without blending into the crowd. Avant-garde athletic wear. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill gym gear. We're talking about athletic wear that's been given a serious fashion-forward twist. Picture this: joggers that ditch the traditional cut for something way more asymmetrical. Sweatshirts that look like they could double as modern art with their sculptural vibes, and sneakers that aren't just about looking cool, but also about being cool, with stuff like recycled ocean plastic. This gear is for the guy who loves the ease and comfort of athletic wear, but also wants to throw a little, "Hey, look at me," into the mix. It's about standing out in a sea of sameness with pieces that say you're all about pushing boundaries, both in fashion and in function. So if you're ready to take your casual game to some next-level style, avant-garde athletic wear is where it's at. Get ready to turn some heads in the best way possible.